Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset on your Mi Smart Projector 3 Pro using the system settings. So in order to do that, we'll need to navigate to the settings button, which is located in the top right corner of our screen, and press OK on that. From here, scroll all the way down and find device preferences. Now scroll all the way down again and find reset. Click OK and then scroll down, click reset, but before that keep in mind that all data will be erased, everything from your device will be deleted, all the apps, everything that you just stored on this device will be gone. So click reset if you're sure that you want to do that, and then erase everything. Our device will turn off and it should turn on again in a matter of seconds. So now it's erasing all data. Ready for setup, and just follow the guidelines. Press the middle button on our pilot. It should start connecting. It's paired successfully. Now it will adjust the focus. It's okay for me. I'm gonna press next, and this one is okay as well. Choose the language you want to use for your device after customizing all the focus and border of the projector. For me it's gonna be English United States, and quickly set up your TV with Android phone. I'm not gonna do that. Of course you can press continue, but the way how we set it up will change. So let's skip that. From here, connect to the Wi-Fi network, and for me it's gonna be this one. So now our device just turned off because the update is applying. Now it will restart. So the update is complete and we can go back to the our projector setup. So now we could log into our Google account. Simply click sign in if you want to log into your Google account. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna skip that process, and here accept to the terms of services. You can of course click on each of them and read the entire thing. I'm not gonna do that, I'm just gonna accept to that. Location, yes. You can say no, of course. Help improve Android, I can accept to that as well. And now install additional apps. Actually, I'm not gonna, so yeah, let's continue without them. Your thing is powered by Android TV. Let's talk through the features of your device. And here, of course, you can learn all features about your projector. And after all that, it should be ready to use. Just wait a second till the screen loads, and as you can see, we can already access our home screen and open any app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.